Hi.
Better get them.
This is Floyd Willison trying to land a Wiley
Out of gear.
salmon.
You get out of it.
Nice big.
Frank, grab that and take that in.
In gear. Okay.
Floyd, keep the tip up.
Maybe we should pull. Yeah, thank you.
Bring that rod in.
Staying deep too. These big springers, this time of the year, do that. They stay deep. The most important thing to do here is keep your rod tip up, out of gear. Oh yeah, this is a nice one. I think they just have arrived in town. Oh man, I love halibut. It's about a 40-pound halibut.
Oh, for crying out loud. That's popped, that's why it's popped off like, oh.
Here, hold this.
Let me get a shot of him.
Yeah, here. Get it. These halibut like these type of flies a lot. Okay? We're gonna go ahead and release this. The season's closed.
Okay.
And there he goes.
Hey, he's not happy.
Oh, in gear. Oh, that's the law.
Will he be okay?
I don't know if he will or not. He looked like it towards the end there. He did swim away. But the law says barbless hooks, and you got to throw them back. In gear. That's good right there. Hold on. Nice. Nice king. About here. There you go.
We are going with
There you go.
trying to land
How's that feel?
the Wiley salmon. Cranking away. Plenty of activity in the back. You can see Frank and Floyd.
Okay, straighten it out a little bit, Ron. Oh yeah, look at him back there. Nice. Okay, grab this rod and reel it in. Turn. Reel. Out of gear. Yum on.
That's a nice one.
6 pounds? Oh, no,
It's exciting when you
They
can
gotta be at
catch a
least
fish
6
like
or
this,
7
especially
to
with
even kick
people
the
that
release.
haven't been on the water before. Coming up in the next YouTube, aha, how to properly cut your bait. Check this out.